Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I have an amazing giveaway for those who sign up to ByBit down below using my link. I partnered with them to offer a free $500 trading position on their platform to do with as you choose. If you sign up in the next 70 days using my link down below in the description and deposit $100, I personally used it to take a 3x leverage long on Dogecoin, and if it hits $1, I'll make around 15k for free. Definitely worth checking out below. Alright then, just taking a quick look at Polygon on our daily time frame then. As we can see, very much looking like it's coming down, making a new low here, really finally testing that bear market range low truly. You can see here we've come down and we are consolidating at this big area of support and demand. Quite frankly, Polygon right now getting absolutely unbelievably oversold. I've been accumulating this for some time, and I'm accumulating a bit more of it now that we are down at this low again. I do believe that there is only really one way that this can go. I do think this is going to be bouncing to the upside in the bull market. Bitcoin is at all-time highs and altcoins are completely smashed down. Big opportunities across the market in my opinion for lots of cryptos to be bouncing to the upside. Ridiculously oversold and a massive disparity between Bitcoin being at all-time highs and altcoins being completely smashed down. Polygon here is 10x down from its all-time high, which is absolutely insane in my opinion. I do think some of these cryptos are going to do quite well in the coming up bull market, which is about to begin. Massive bullish divergences on the daily time frame, which is absolutely insane. You can see this weekly time frame in my opinion looking really good. We're clearly in a big area of demand, and I do think this is an area where we'll probably see a bounce, especially when altcoins do get their time in the sun. Obviously, Bitcoin dominance is extremely high right now, which is leading to altcoins looking absolutely destroyed. But I do think we are going to see a reversal, and you have seen previously these areas where Polygon does reverse and have big volume, that there are times where Polygon can have these big reversals quickly. I do think that it's in a big area of demand right now. Really not that much desire for people to be selling at these levels. Probably more likely to start reversing around. And as I said in my previous videos, I did take a long position last week with a stop loss all the way down here at like 25 cents. Because I do think this is going to reverse back up and head to the upside in this big area of demand going into the bull market. Not much to report, just chilling and waiting. Make sure to sign up to ByBit for a huge 30k bonus down below. Massive prizes at the minute for depositing $100. BitTrue are also offering 50 USDT for depositing, or if you're looking for a non-KYC self-custody exchange for trading, AlphaX down below in the description as well, and like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.